Let's see here. This is my gasket, my head gasket. Ooh, doggies. Let's look here. It looks like my old one. A little bit of a variance difference, not much. I'm not sure what this other one is, but everything else lines up pretty darn good. Like I said, here's the old one. Here's the new one. All the cylinder holes and the bolts. Just not sure what these two little pieces are right here, but everything else lines up, so that's a good deal there. Here's the head down here laying. Here we go. Trina's about to get busy and see if we can't get this Go Girl put back together. Alrighty guys, I got my gasket, my head gasket up here hanging, and I got some of this CRC copper coat gasket compound. I guess it's got to be completely covered and coated copper. Not real sure. Like I said, this is first time ever doing this, so. All right, let's let that set for 1 to 2 minutes. So I'm gonna bring my gasket over here and put it on. I got 2 bolts underneath here that you can't see. That way, when I put it on there, I'll just put them through just a little bit. That way, sort of holds it in place. That way I can carry it back. Alrighty guys, let me go grab her. I put 2 coats of that copper tacky stuff. Now let's just see if I can just get her kind of laid down there the right way. And just to let it adhere a little bit. What do y'all think? I think we just need to manhandle her and take her over and throw her back on. All right guys, in the book, I'm following this diagram right here. So let's get back to it. Once I get started, I'll bring you back. All right guys, the first round of torquing at like 55 pounds is done. Now the book says to go from 102.9 to 112. We're gonna go with 103 because Shira broke the last bolt. I think I had it set for 108. So I'm gonna back her down some and get started on the next go round. Wish me luck. All right guys, I'm a little bit nervous. This is the one that I broke the last time, so send prayers up to the head bolt god. Stay strong, don't break. Let's get this done. Wish me luck. All right guys, they are all torqued to the specs of the book here. Let's get busy, and once again, thank Friday Parts for sending the head gasket and the other parts we're getting ready to be using.
Friday Parts, fix it once, fix it right.